Hello and welcome to a quick introduction to the Rezoomex Smart Contract Driven Development Learning Program. Let's talk about the agenda. We'll tell you who we are, what's the purpose of this video, who's our target audience, what do they want, and what's getting in the way, what's our program, how can it help our target audience, and where can you go next? So who are we? We are Rezoomex. We help organizations harness global talent to bring impactful products to the market. Our founder is Vinayak Joglekar. He is passionate about democratizing the software product development industry. He wants to bust barriers that stop people and organizations from building great software products. My name is Ravi Verma. I am a Rezoomex certified trainer. My life purpose is to disrupt the needless destruction of human potential. So why did we shoot this video? We want to give you a brief overview of our program so you can decide, is this a good fit? Is this program for you? And do you want to continue learning with us? Who's our target audience? Anyone who wants to build great software products. A prerequisite for this video is that you have watched the Intro to Smart Contracts video. So if you haven't, please pause this video, watch that other video, and come back. You'll get more value from the time you invest here. Let's dive deeper. We feel there are 5 broad categories of users who are in our target audience. The first are people who sponsor software product development, entrepreneurs, executives, investors. Second, product managers or product owners. In some cases, the entrepreneur himself or herself is the product manager and product owner. Builders of software products, UX, business analyst, developer, tester, ops, security. Managers, project, program, release, delivery, directors, line managers, and guides, people who help organizations and teams, trainers, coaches, scrum masters. What do these people want and what's getting in their way? Let's find out. We'll illustrate this through the stories of 4 personas. Annie the entrepreneur, Dave the developer, Manny the manager, and Corey the coach. What does Annie want? Annie is an entrepreneur who wants to convert her ideas into a great product, a successful business, and she's curious. I'm hearing all this buzz about generative AI. Can it really help me? What's getting in her way? Well, she has an idea, not quite sure what should she do next. How can she create a strategy? How can she create a dependable, affordable, competent team? How can she avoid disconnects between her and the team? What can she do to create a roadmap that she can use to manage stakeholder expectations? How can she now deliver on those expectations, deliver features to the market quickly? When customers give her feedback, how can she respond to them and turn around releases so that they don't feel their feedback is falling on deaf ears? How can she avoid wasting money building things that she didn't want or the market doesn't want? And finally, how can she pay her team for generating business outcomes so it's more of a partnership than just the activities? And how can she build a successful, thriving business? What about Dave, the developer on Annie's team? Dave wants to build great products, and he wants to get rich, and he wants to have fun. And he's hearing all this buzz about generative AI, and he's wondering, can Gen AI help me? So what's getting in his way? He's sick and tired of working in organizations that don't know what they want. For once in his life, he wants to work in a company that knows what they want to build. And once he understands what they want, he wants to avoid disconnects with his stakeholders, deliver features to the market, keep his stakeholders happy, and be known in the industry as a world-class developer who can charge premium prices, be secure, never have to worry about layoffs or not having a job, and learn how to use generative AI to do all of this. What about Manny, the manager? Manny wants his teams to deliver so that his team has a reputation for being dependable. He impresses management, he gets promoted, director, VP, CTO, CEO, and he's curious, I wonder if AI can help me. So what's getting in his way? Similar to Dave, he is sick and tired of working in organizations who don't know what the heck they want. He wants to work in a company that has a clear sense of purpose and can explain the goals to the tech organization. And he wants to make sure that there are no disconnects between the team and the stakeholders. He wants his team to be high performing, deliver to the market quickly, impress stakeholders, keep them happy, get rewards and recognition, job security, and then doesn't want to be made redundant, obsolete, or outdated because he doesn't know generative AI. So he wants to use Gen AI to do his job. What about Corey the coach? Corey is a purpose-driven coach. She wants to unleash awesome teams, awesome organizations. She wants to be known in the industry as a reputable, dependable coach, and she wants to grow her business. And she does want to upskill and see how generative AI can help her. What's getting in her way? There's a lot of FUD out there which says coaches are irrelevant. You can replace them. She wants to be relevant. She wants to expand her offerings by including generative AI-based products and services in her portfolio. She wants to help the team and stakeholders stay on the same page, help her teams deliver features and releases to the market. So the reputation that she has is one of getting stuff done, not just talking about fluff. She wants to impress stakeholders, keep them happy, and then charge premium prices for being a world-class coach and grow her business. And finally, use generative AI to do all of this. So these are some of the people who are our target audience: Annie, Dave, Manny, Corey. Now you might be wondering, can this program really help? Let's find out. So what is our program? Our program is an immersive hands-on program led by seasoned product development experts that will help you do hands-on work to accelerate your journey from product discovery to delivery by harnessing generative AI and smart contracts. We start with a workshop called Idea to Strategy. Just bring an idea, we'll help you walk out with an executable strategy. Our second session, Strategy to Proof of Concept, will help you get an illustrative proof of concept and an executable backlog of product backlog items or user stories or features with automation tests. Our third workshop will help you convert these user stories and automation tests into an executable smart contract. Then we can give you some coaching, optional coaching, to now take these smart contracts and deliver releases to the market. Our next workshop will help you interpret feedback from the market about what is and is not working. And then our last workshop will help you take these validated insights and convert them to ideas so that now you can rinse and repeat. At the heart of all of our programs and all of our courses are customers and users. So you don't build products in a vacuum. And our differentiators are the user generative AI and smart contracts. So how's this going to help with the unmet needs of our target personas? If Annie has ideas but doesn't know what to do next, doesn't know how to create a strategy or an executable roadmap, we will give you a step-by-step approach inside our workshops. So you just walk in with an idea and you're going to walk out with a strategy and a roadmap. If the concern is how do we avoid disconnects between business and technology and the different stakeholders, we will help you create shared artifacts and measurable goals inside the workshop that can help you create a true north. If the concern is how do we deliver to the market quickly, how do we minimize waste due to death by rework, death by change order, we're going to help you create thin vertical slices of value with automated tests so that there is a lower risk that different people who are collaborating will have different understanding of success. How are you going to delight customers? We will teach you how to interpret customer feedback so that you can adapt your roadmap with validated insights from the customer. And you can use smart contracts to reward people for business outcomes. So it's more of a partnership instead of paying people for activities that do not generate outcomes. And we'll teach you how to use trained Rezoomex AI assistants that use generative AI. And finally, this is how you build a successful business. So where do you go next? Learn more about our program at training.rezoomex.com. Connect with us on social media. You'll find our handles in the notes. Meet us online or in person. Contact us to give us your feedback. Ask us your questions. Tell us what are your unmet needs and barriers and how can we adapt our program to address them. And then continue learning. We'd love to see you in the next course in our curriculum. You can join our sampler session, or if you're convinced that this program is for you, I'd love to see you in our next workshop, Idea to Strategy. Thank you for giving us the gift of your time. Until we meet again, thank you and goodbye.